am Muslim. I am a democratic socialist.
Zohran Mamdani.
Zohran Mamdani. Zohran Mamdani. Zohran Mamdani. Zohran Mamdani.
Matam kharagi mamangdagi Malemgi favorable news channel singi headline oiduna lagliba Zohran Mamdani kanano. Mahaki karamba singthaningai oiba achievement na global stardom masi fangkhibano haina tattana malemgi miyamna ngasidi hangnaragle.
Africa da poklabasu magi horakfam India bu matam pumbada tungoinadaba
Ngasigi exclusive video asida Zohran Mamdani gi matangda khangminasi.
Malemgi senjau paiba singi punfam oriba Wall Street su leiribani. USA gi New York City gi mayoral election da achan mirai khaidaba thong manaba ganatantra haibadi democratic socialism da thazaba miref Zohran Mamdani na mai pakre.
Against all odds, we have grasped it. The future is in our hands.
Africa da poklabasu magi horakfam India bu matam pumbada tungoinadaba Mamdani na mahaki mai papagi warolda Jawaharlal Nehru gi wafam thambada natana Bollywood isai dum machale thaduna harawa fongdoki.
Standing before you, I think of the words of Jawaharlal Nehru. A moment comes but rarely in history when we step out from the old to the new, when an age ends and when the soul of a nation long suppressed finds utterance. Tonight we have stepped out from the old into the new.
Ningsing bayai kumjali singani kunmari da Donald Trump na New York City gi USA presidential election da mai pakraba matungda New York City gi Fordham Road da kananasu nachung bidraba interview macha loduna mayoral election gi campaign haurakiba Zohranna ngasidi magi makhada volunteer lag ama leiraktuna American dollar da 40 million thadaduna bot sanarakpa magi khwaidigi naknaba lamba Andrew Komobu bot lak ani fanning chit henduna mai pakibani September 13 lisingani sumna amada thokiba Twin Tower crash na maram oraga Islamophobia racism na haraba lamdam media housing Janice Singi oiba IPEC amadi Villiers Singi Israel gi mayokta leiba missing maru fangna muthalingai cherakta Israel koba lamdamna Palestine da chathariba miyot minei asi genocide ni haibada natana Israeli Prime Minister Netanyahu arrest tawduna kaisum sangda thamgani hariba Mamdani na mai pakibagi maramsi New York City bu senjau paiba sing khaktagi ohelloi atia pakna wanglaba room gi vara rent bus fare amadi chahi manga fawbagi angang singda free health care piduna miyam gi oiba city ohengani haiba mahaki acherpa wasaknani
New York, tonight you have delivered a mandate for change. A mandate for a new kind of politics. A mandate for a city we can afford. And a mandate for a government that delivers exactly that. On January 1st, I will be sworn in as the mayor of New York City.
ngakningai oiribadi Benjamin Netanyahu gi mayokta asigumba mityeng thamliba Mamdani bu New York City gi Jewish voters singna chauna support torpa asini panba yabadi Netanyahu da natana Trump amadi Modi busu Gujarat riot paladuna Mamdani na yamna kanna yaningdaba fogdokpa leikre
something here, which is that my father, his family comes from Gujarat in India, and his family is Muslim, I'm Muslim. And Narendra Modi helped to orchestrate what was a mass slaughter of Muslims in Gujarat to the extent that we don't even believe there are Gujarati Muslims anymore. And when I tell someone that I am, it's a shock to them that is even the case. And this is someone who we should view in the same manner that we do Benjamin Netanyahu. This is a war criminal.
Wahang khudingmak paukhum piba ngamba yamna confidence amadi charming oriba Mamdani lakliba January amada wasak lauragani. Makna pangthok ningliba Thabak singasi pangthokpada senjau paiba sing amadi sakti lairaba miyoi sing na ayet papira kadra haiba wahangdi malingi miyamna tattana hangnari. Kari taurakani tambang ngamdaba Donald Trump na karigumba Zohran Mamdani karabadi USA gi Central Government na New York City da thadarakadaba Federal Fund kakthakani. Tangai fadrabadi National Guard Thazingani haina National Television da kihanba fawa laikrabani. Maram asina sakti lairaba Democratic Party na Mamdani gidamak Mamdani bu kadai fawa support taurakpagi amadi Donald Trump na kadai fawa ayet papirakpagi haiba adu makata na yengbinnakiba tari. Asigum laba interesting oiba news updates sing khangbinaba channel asibu subscribe tobiu amadi video asibu like tobiduna pungning thogatbiu.
Central to that vision will be the most ambitious agenda to tackle the cost of living crisis that this city has seen since the days of Fierro LaGuardia. An agenda that will freeze the rents for more than 2 million rent-stabilized tenants. Make buses fast and free. And deliver universal childcare across our city. Years from now, may our only regret be that this day took so long to come. This new age will be one of relentless improvement. We will hire thousands more teachers. We will cut waste from a bloated bureaucracy. We will work tirelessly to make lights shine again in the hallways of NYCHA developments where they have long flickered. Safety and justice will go hand in hand as we work with police officers to reduce crime and create a department of community safety that tackles the mental health crisis and homelessness crises head on. Excellence will become the expectation across government, not the exception. In this new age we make for ourselves, we will refuse to allow those who traffic in division and hate to pit us against one another. In this moment of political darkness, New York will be the light. Here, we believe in standing up for those we love. Whether you are an immigrant, a member of the trans community, one of the many black women that Donald Trump has fired from a federal job, a single mom still waiting for the cost of groceries to go down, or anyone else with their back against the wall, your struggle is ours too. And we will build a city hall that stands steadfast alongside Jewish New Yorkers and does not waver in the fight against the scourge of anti-Semitism. Where the more than 1 million Muslims know that they belong. Not just in the 5 boroughs of this city, but in the halls of power. No more will New York be a city where you can traffic in Islamophobia and win an election.